If you're creating tutorials, interviews, or podcast style videos, two tools you'll see everywhere right now, Tella and Riverside. Both let you record your screen and camera, but they're designed for different goals. In this tutorial, we'll break down Tella versus Riverside, features, pricing, ease of use, and who each one's best for. Quick side note, if you decide to use either one of these platforms, I've left links in the description and pinned comment so you can try them out for free at no additional cost to you, and it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. What is Tella? Tella is a browser-based screen and camera recorder built for creators, startups, and educators. In fact, it gives you both options. You can either choose to use it in your browser without installing an app. All you need to do is go on to tella.tv, as you can see right here, tap on record, and you can start using it. Or you can choose to get the app. It makes recording simple and easy. You can start recording polished videos quickly, no editing software, no setup. You can also record your screen and camera or slides right from your browser. Instantly edit, trim, rearrange clips, or change layouts by simply going into their settings. As you can see right here, you have numerous layouts you can choose from. You can add custom backgrounds, text overlays, and transitions. So I could select BG and I could change the background. You can see right there. There are numerous options you can select from. They also offer numerous sharing options. You can choose to either download it in 4K or you can tap on share. From here, you can choose to share it via link or workspace. You can also choose to embed it on your website if you want. And if you want, you can also add a call to action button on your video. So Tella is perfect for tutorials, onboarding videos, and marketing explainers. On the other hand, what is Riverside? Riverside is built for high-quality video podcasts, interviews, and professional recordings. It records locally on each participant's device, so you get studio-level audio and video even with bad internet. Some standout features when it comes onto Riverside include 4K local recording for each participant, separate audio and video tracks for every guest, built-in AI tools like auto captions and speaker detection, live streaming and multi-guest support. Riverside is ideal for podcasters, content creators, and teams doing remote interviews or long-form content. Now we have a good idea what both platforms are about. Let's talk about some key differences. For example, when it comes onto platform, with Tella, you'll be able to use their browser option or you can choose to install the app. With Riverside, they offer both browser and app also. In fact, they also offer the mobile app option. And if we were to talk about platform focus, Tella is mainly focused on quick screen recordings and explainers, while Riverside, on the other hand, offers high-quality podcasts and interviews. And if we were to also talk about recording types, Tella is perfect for screen, webcam, and slides record, while Riverside, on the other hand, is perfect for multitrack audio and video recording. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Tella is incredibly beginner-friendly. You can record, customize, and share in minutes. You can even brand your videos with your logo or upload your background to stay on brand. Riverside takes a bit longer to learn, but it's still clean and intuitive. The setup process for guests is simple. They just click a link, but editing multi-track recordings does take some time if you're new to it. If you're creating short, polished clips, I would recommend that you go with Tella. If you're recording podcasts, interviews, or long-form discussions, Riverside is the pro choice. And also when it comes onto collaboration or sharing options, with Tella it offers easy shareability. You can share via link or you can embed. With Riverside, they also offer multiple sharing options. You can invite guests or team producers. And when it comes on to export, with Tella, you'll be able to use 1080p or you can export it in 4K, as you can see right here. And also with Riverside, they offer the option to export up to 4K. And yes, both platforms will allow you to share it on Social media, for example, you can share it on YouTube or whichever social platform. But when it comes onto live streaming, this is only possible on Riverside. So Tella shines for quick branded video creation, while Riverside on the other hand dominates when you need studio quality recording and remote guests. And if we were to compare them via pricing, with Tella you can get started for as low as $19 per month, and with Riverside, as you can see right here, their beginner friendly price is $29 and it can go up to $99. And as I said earlier, both platforms offer you a free trial. With Tella, you'll be getting 7-day free trial, and with Riverside, you'll be getting 14 days. And again, I've left links in the description so you can try out either platform. In conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Riverside if you're recording professional podcasts or remote interviews and you want multi-track recording, 4K quality, and AI tools, or you plan to stream live or collaborate with producers and guests. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Tella if you make short explainers, tutorials, or marketing videos, and you want quick editing and instant sharing, and you prefer simple browser tools with brand customization. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.